One of the things I love most about our Haas is the Haas community. Content creators, tip of the day. This has really changed how we're educating our machinists. Growing up, third generation machinists, it took a ton of time and a ton of effort to learn. You had to beg, steal, borrow from somebody to learn how to do something. Now with Instagram and YouTube, we're able to search Haas, search tip of the day, and find tips and techniques to become a much more competent machinist faster. So a number of years ago, Gordon and myself were working on a project, a long shaft in one of our Haas's, and I was back in my office and a tip of the day comes out. It was variable speed programming where the spindle would vary RPMs to keep chatter from creating and running away from itself or running into the part. It just so happened I was working on a project at the same time that had that problem. We went in, I met with my team, I said, this is the video I saw today, and moments later, we had fixed our problem from a simple tip of the day out there. And ever since then, I'm a late night Instagrammer, 10:30, guys are getting videos from me, tips of the day from YouTube. What are some of the solutions to problems that I see every day that we just didn't know that those solutions existed. So the content that's being put out there is tremendous. Furthermore, I think it's been much needed to show our industry and how it has changed. I've said forever, machining has a marketing issue. People don't understand it, they don't know it, they don't know how it's changed and how exciting and dynamic it is. And with our content creators out there and YouTube and Haas, we're getting to see what people are doing across the country, how they're doing it, and we're all able to learn from it and become greater together. My name is Justin Franklin. I'm the president and owner here at Kadon Precision and Kadon Aerospace. We're located in Rockford, Illinois, and we're celebrating our 50th year anniversary.